If you own a lot of SD or micro SD cards, I'm sure your cards must be all over the place. That happened to me also, and I wanted to find a solution for this, so that's why I have actually found this memory card case that I can actually use to organize and store all of my memory cards. And the best part is this is shockproof, waterproof, and it will protect everything. So in this video, let's go ahead and check this one out and see how I keep my memory cards organized. What I have here is a memory card case from one of the top rated sellers on Amazon. I'll have a link for you to pick one up if you're interested down below in the description. Opening the box up, the first thing that I will find is a attachment hook. Keeping that to the side, then we find this card holder. Opening it up will reveal the inside, and as you can see, you can store micro SD cards as well as regular size SD cards that you use with your camera. It's pretty easy to store cards. You can just go ahead and put stuff in, and then when you close it up, it will be sealed and everything will be secure. So you can go ahead and pop in all of the cards that you have, and you can carry it around very easily, securely, without even damaging them. Inside this you will find a lot of padding, so that will keep everything safe and secure. If you use SD cards on a day-to-day basis, and if you just keep moving around here and there, or if you keep misplacing your cards, then I highly suggest you to have a look at this one. I'll have a link to where you can pick one up down below in the description, so definitely go ahead and check it out if you're interested. Or if you know a friend who might find this useful, share this video with them as well. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and if you're not following me on social media, definitely do so. I am at Andro Dollar. The links are given down below in the description. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.